Alright, we're going in to the house that we bought in Jonesboro. The house itself is not in bad condition, although you'd never be able to tell it, but you see the roof's in good shape. The walls are in pretty decent shape. A little bit of got a nice little entry into the kitchen, rounded. You go into the kitchen, cabinets are pretty good shape. A lot of windows open and a lot of trash, but it's got a little eat-in over there, little eat-in section. There's a cat or something over in here. I don't know if it's a cat or what, but look at all this stuff they've left us everywhere you go. I mean, I'm walking on it. Hallway, but like the walls, really good shape. I mean, go into the bedroom. I mean, if you can even get in the bedroom. But again, look at the walls. Trim in good shape. Got closets. Ceilings are in good shape. Here's the bathroom. Vanity's not bad. I mean, black granite countertop. Medicine cabinet. A lot of junk, but check out this shower. It's like enclosed. But really good shape. I'm really happy with it. Somebody's been using the commode, so the house stinks really bad. Go into this bedroom. A lot of clean out, but once you get it cleaned out, I think the house itself, there's a lot to work with. Very, very happy with that. Other bedroom. Look at this. A lot of stuff, man. But minimal prep work. It's got a basement too, and the basement's just like up here as far as junk. I mean, there's just a lot of junk. But there you have it.